Husband's cooking a chow mein. So the cooking pot, and onion, and then butter. Put some butter. Let it melt. Half kilo of minced meat is using. And then put magic syrup seasoning. Wash your hands. Down, put pepper. Put some pepper. Sprinkle of pepper. And salt. Hello, brown. Yeah, cook. And while waiting for, I have a question for you, darling. While waiting for the food that we cook, you're gonna put the one now or not yet?
You gotta cut it up.
No. While waiting for the food that we cook, I'll ask you a question that I never asked before, okay? Felicia, are you allergic with me?
Yes.
Excuse me.
Don't like questions.
Why?
I'm allergic.
My first question is, what is the best thing about me being your wife?
The best thing?
Yes.
You don't cook.
The best thing, not the worst.
Huh?
I used to cook before.
Yes, you did. Not now.
Yeah, the best thing.
Now I'm the cook.
What's the best thing?
Huh?
Answer my question, please.
What's the best thing?
Yes.
You love me. You take care of me
And what else?
when I'm sick.
Okay. That's only the answer?
Yeah, that's enough.
The mincemeat was brown, so I put the cabbage. Cabbage on. And then...
Until I finish all the ingredients.
Uh,
Yeah, a cup of water.
put a cup of water.
Yeah. Now you gotta be, because that's the flavor.
And use chicken noodle soup for the flavor.
Yeah. And it gives you a really nice chicken flavor taste.
And then
just put
half
a little bit
rice.
of rice in it.
Rice in it.
Because that'll absorb the nice juices that's going to come from this lovely dinner.
For the lovely dinner, or we call this
Others are,
Australian.
it's my mother's
This is
recipe.
mom's recipe. Thank you, mom. Mom's face.
I've had 4 kids.
Mom
My
is making
father
that
was
one,
gone,
okay? And then
And my mum used to make meals, spread the meals out so we could all eat. Otherwise we couldn't afford to eat because my mum couldn't get a job.
okay.
My dad left.
So you're the father figure of
I
the
was
family.
the oldest in the family, so I had 3 sisters and we all had to cook. We had to cook to survive.
While we're staring at guys, I need to ask another question again, okay?
About the meal.
Not about the meal. I said I have a question. I will ask a question I never asked before. Maybe we're gonna end it up divorce after this. I need to ask you some question, you know, so that we will know. So my second question is, do I make you laugh?
Yes.
Yes or no? In what way?
When you're sleeping, you snore.
No.
And then the dog snores. And I don't know who's the worst. You're the dog. You snore louder, the dog snores louder. I have to leave the room.
Oh dear.
Yes. Only the truth comes out in this question.
Questions, okay? The third question is, do we have plan of having baby?
I don't know. Are you a professor?
No, no, I just asked you this question because I never you asked that before. So give me your true answer, okay? Because some people will watch this one.
We have to watch this space.
What space?
See if I become a professor.
Darling, you're giving a correct answer. Give me the correct answer.
I didn't know there was questions. Didn't know there was answers. You got them written down, the answers.
Oh dear, my goodness.
Of course, we want a baby. We want a baby girl looks like you. Maybe not now. Maybe take after dad. Next question.
I don't know. Is your husband sterile? You can't have a baby?
I'm not a lab rat.
What's that?
I'm not a lab rat.
What's your lab rat?
I do that to the lab rat. I'm not an experimental.
You know what? Huh? Lab rat?
Lab rat.
So what if what happen like we're getting old and then we didn't get a house, so we have no chance of having a baby, are we? Right? People usually ask me this question usually when I was in the Philippines.
Really?
Yes. Does your husband can have a baby?
Yeah.
Why you don't have kids yet?
Because we're working to buy a house.
Are
We're
you?
working hard to save.
Are
to
you
buy
buying a house?
Yes,
Are you?
we are. I'm gonna buy.
Or maybe your husband is a vasectomy.
Not even my dog's noodle. Hey, Baba. Huh? Not even you go there.
Because
I wouldn't even send my dog to get noodles. Why would I get noodles when I want to get my dog noodles? Jeez. That's our manhood, isn't it, mate? He goes bullshit.
oh dear, that's the question, darling, that I usually ask
Oh, well.
when I was in the Philippines, right? Like, oh, why your husband is old and why you're not having
I'm not
baby?
bloody old.
And like you're getting old because you're 35 years old.
I can still dance.
Why you're not having baby now? Why you're still young? You know?
I can still dance.
And like
Look at the young hairstyle.
I'm not getting younger.
Look, lockdown hairstyle.
Why I'm crying?
Lockdown hairstyle. Yes, bloody look.
The last question, okay? The last question. Let me get closer to you. Who will be the first move in having
Has to be me because you're the one that sleeps. You get home from work. I'll just lay you here for a second. You're on the phone. Darling, come on, I'll put you to bed now. Ah, okay. Okay, after she dribbles.
Oh, that's so funny, guys. So that's me. I always love to laugh. Thank you, Bobby, for the time. So we're gonna check our food, okay? Double check it, guys. So that's the food looks like now. So the rice is not ready yet. So yeah, like honest answer. It's okay with me if I have a kids, and it's okay if it's not. It's up to the God na lang kung bibigyan kami or hindi. Kasi hindi naman ako magsabi ng patapos naman talaga. Kasi baby is a blessings naman talaga. So we'll see. So there it is, guys. It's ready. Chow mein a la Shane, Australian version. Yum yum. Guys, thank you. Bobby, it's very yummy. Yum. Very yummy. Simple and it's very easy to make it and tasty.